After 24 years, I made my way back to Tucson and made up for lost time by collecting an incredible selection of wonderful items from $5 to $500, even maybe $5,000. Very unique items I'm quite pleased with. I did focus on rhodochrosite, favorite, and jade, because real nephrite jade is hard to find, both from Canada, Guatemala, Burma, Siberia. And I found some other interesting things like this lepidolite skull and these great onyx lamps and this fantastic, very interesting cathedral amethyst. And I even got some little serpentine tea sets and little tiny ammonites from Morocco, which are different from the ones from Madagascar. By the way, this is Kyle Russell, and I am of Portal Crystal Gallery and Crystal Concentrics. Here's some items I got before the show that I did not see at the show. They're multi-tone chevron amethysts, and some of them are polished, quite unusual. Even more unusual are these sort of diamond-shaped selenites from Nevada, of all places, and this really gnarly hematite, which is not like anything I had seen before. And over here we have an African Nirvana quartz along with a sort of copper hematite. And going back around the other side, because what we did was we wanted to show everybody what we have for unique. These are ventifacts, which are wind-swept unique stones from China. And we got lots of great jewelry, flower of life, ambers, some Sonoran material, lots of good small earrings, good quality jade, this wonderful sort of spiral wrapped material, and these lovely fertility goddesses, if you're okay calling them that, extra high quality pendulums, and rings, some fantastic inlaid material. And moving right along, because we're set up here at the Portal Gallery, which is where we have all our other merchandise set up nicely by concept, by energy zone. And we're going to be taking these tables down. This is our sugilite, an extraordinary selection. These beautiful white jade. This jade here is from Quebec. We've got moldavites galore. We've got more jade. Very fantastic, good quality. Wyoming, even New Zealand. We've got some great statues, some platonic solids, sacred geometry, good bracelets, nice specimens. This cobalt aura is quite crazy. We have these unicorns and this phenomenal chalcedony carvings, a large rhodochrosite Buddha, a clear Buddha. We have the octahedrons and these serpentine snakes, the grape agates looking good, some great rhodochrosite, some fluorite carved animals, and more rhodochrosite, a long time favorite of mine, great quality lapis there, some Sonoran dendritic jasper, and we'll end out on this amazing rhodochrosite material.